Hi, I'm Brian. I'm going to replace the fog light bulbs in this 2017 Suburban with LED bulbs. The Suburban fog lights use a PSX26W bulb. The fog light bulbs are accessed from under the front of the vehicle. There's a hole that's large enough to reach in and remove the bulb. Turn the bulb socket a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. Here you can see the unlock tab for removing the bulb from the socket. Press the tab and pull the bulb straight out. Accessing the right fog light is pretty much a mirror image of the procedure for accessing the left fog light. Turn the bulb socket a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. The body control module does not monitor the fog lights, so there's no special consideration when choosing a bulb. This is the first LED replacement that we tested. This shows an incorrect orientation for inserting the bulb into the socket. This vertical raised feature should not be on the same side as the tab to release the bulb. This shows the correct orientation for inserting the bulb into the socket. Note the small raised feature for engaging the locking mechanism. Insert the bulb into the socket, press down to lock the bulb. For the left fog light, turn the socket so the locking tab is away from you. Insert the socket straight into the housing. And turn clockwise a quarter turn to lock the socket in place. The procedure is the same for the right fog light, except that the locking tab is facing you when you insert the bulb into the housing. Here you can see the incandescent bulb on the left and the LED bulb on the right. The incandescent bulb is more yellow in color and it's not as bright as the LED bulb. Looking from the front of the vehicle, the LED bulb is on the left and the incandescent bulb is on the right. This is the second LED bulb that we tested. This bulb appears to be made by the same company that makes the BeamTech headlight bulbs. We've used the BeamTech bulbs quite extensively and we're happy with the longevity and brightness of those bulbs. It has a pigtail cable for the socket instead of plugging directly into the socket. Insert the pigtail connector into the fog light socket and press to lock it in place. Insert the bulb into the housing with the company logo facing away from you and turn a quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place. Look at the fog light from the front of the vehicle and make sure that the bulb LEDs are on the left and the right hand side. Here you can see our first LED test bulb on the right and our second LED test bulb on the left. The left bulb is much brighter than the right bulb. Here's the view from the front of the vehicle. View the description for the specific parts that we used in this video. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and check out our other interesting videos on a variety of different topics.